Chapter 3, Modifying Slides in OpenOffice Impress. So in this chapter we'll learn to modify slides. First we see how to insert picture in a slide from file and gallery. There are two ways to insert a picture into the slide. First is from file and second from gallery. We can insert from file and from gallery. To insert an image in a slide from file, we will follow some steps. First we go to the menu bar and then select picture option and select from file. Just choose the picture. The insert picture dialog box open and you can select the picture and click on open. Choose the desired picture and click on open. The selected picture is inserted as shown below. So in this way we can insert the picture from our file into the slide. The next is to insert image in a slide from gallery. So gallery is an area where Impress have already provided many backgrounds, bullets, home page, etc. And you can also add your own image files. So just click on tool menu in menu bar, select gallery from the drop down and select theme from the scroll list. Insert the image by right click on the selected image and then select the insert option. In this way you will see the image is inserted into our slide from the gallery. And now we can also resize the image, the inserted image into the slide. What we have to do to resize the image, just move the pointer to the edge of the image and the cursor is now double-sided arrow. And what we do, we just press and hold the left button on the mouse and drag the pointer to resize the image. In upward and downward direction we need to drag the mouse and it will resize accordingly. Drawing tools. Drawing tools are also available in OpenOffice Impress. The drawing toolbar contains all the necessary function for drawing various geometric and freehand shapes and organizing them on page. The drawing toolbar contains all the geometric and freehand shapes. To open a drawing toolbar, just select view menu from menu bar and then select toolbars and go to the drawing option. Drawing toolbar is now available at the bottom of the window. It contains all the required function to organize these shapes. Now we'll see these are the list of drawing tools available in Impress. So select line, arrow, rectangle, ellipse, text. These all are the drawing tool shapes which are available in drawing tool. We can just use these all shapes by just dragging the mouse into our slide. So how to insert shapes in a slide? Different types of shapes are available in drawing toolbar like basic shapes, stars, symbol shapes, flow charts, arrows, callouts. These are the basic these are the shapes, types of shapes available in drawing toolbar, and we can insert these shapes into our slide. Just select the shape, group and desired shape, move the pointer to the slide and press left button and drag to draw the selected shape. Now how do we insert font work in a slide? So font work provides various styles and effect to the text. We need to select view menu from menu bar and then select toolbars, and we can select the font work option which is present there. Just click on font work gallery on font work toolbar and select any font work as you desired. and then click OK. Double click on the inserted fontwork to enter the desired text. Like if you want to insert your name, just double click on the inserted fontwork to enter your name.